Yo, 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 yo. Now it's like the countdown. And you see this my fluffy thing on my hair. It's kind of giving inspiration. I don't know what that is, but it looks cute. It's 4 seconds. Now let's get to the premiere. So serious. It's so serious. Damn. He's got an error there. He's got an error there. Oh my god, look at his face. Hey Joel, calm down, man. You're getting it so seriously. Damn. I can see what you're doing. Yeah, the server is back on. The server is back on. What are you doing? Okay, you're trying to log in. After logging in, you get token. What do you want to use the token for? Okay, you want to use the token for updating a product. Okay, you go to the header. And I think that token is already old, so you have to change it. Is that what he's doing? Joel, you're damn good. I know you're good. You're good for this. Put the bearer and the token you copied and put it there, so you'll be able to update it. Let's see what's gonna happen. Or you have anything to do again. The body. Okay, you want to change the name. Are you not good with the jewelry shoes? Okay, jewelry shoes. What? It's no. I don't know what that means, but Joel, I know you got it. What are we gonna do? You go back to the Thunder client where you look through. Where are we going, Joel? Are you confused? Go to the body, to the shoes, you send it again, you get a null. I know this dilemma. Impressing your guys. What are you gonna do? Are you gonna do? Okay, you go back to the other page. What the fuck? Oh, what friend are you doing in your other page while we are looking for product updates, my brother? Come on. What the? What? Where does it go? Is this YouTube thing? I'm kind of getting excited in the whole thing already. Up next. It's over, man. Okay.